In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comments in Notion. Hello, and welcome to another helpful tutorial. Today, I'll be guiding you through the process of deleting comments in Notion. Whether you're collaborating on a team project or managing your own notes, comments can be incredibly useful. But sometimes you might want to clean things up by removing comments that are no longer needed. This tutorial will work whether you're using the Notion web app or the desktop application, as both have nearly identical interfaces. So, let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace. You can do this by either going to www.notion, so in your browser, or launching the desktop version if you've already installed it. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page where you want to delete a comment. Let's assume you've already added some comments, or perhaps you're working on a shared document where someone else has left feedback. Comments in Notion are typically attached to blocks of text. Now, to delete a comment, locate the block that contains the comment. Hover your mouse over the right-hand side of the text. You'll see a three-dot menu icon, often referred to as an ellipsis or options menu. Click on it, and a small drop-down will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Comment. A confirmation prompt may appear to double-check that you really want to remove the comment. Click Delete again to confirm. And just like that, the comment is permanently removed from the page. Deleting comments can be helpful for a number of reasons. Perhaps the issue mentioned in the comment has already been resolved, or the feedback is no longer relevant. Keeping your workspace clean and free of unnecessary comments can improve focus and make collaboration clearer for everyone involved. Do keep in mind that deleting a comment is permanent. There's no undo button for this particular action, so make sure the comment is no longer needed before you remove it. And that wraps up this tutorial. You've now learned how to delete a comment in Notion using a simple, reliable method. If you found this guide useful, consider subscribing for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy organizing!